This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. I want to convince you that we are trading on a real account. First, as usual, we select a currency pair and a trade time, and as the bot tells us, we place a trade up or down. The first trade went well. You can change the currency pair and the time that works best for you. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok. More content there is coming soon. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. That's it. This is the result we achieved. So trade with Flex.